and using desert botanicals was key for me, to find something. A lot of people don't know that the creosote bush that grows, prolifically in the Sonoran Desert is one of the oldest living plants on Earth. It can live up to 7,000 years, and that's the fragrance that you get when it rains. The desert rain fragrance, that's that fragrance, and so a lot of people don't know those things, and know that Native Americans used to use it for healing wounds, and they use the prickly pear. They use all parts of the prickly pear, okay, for everything. They used it for clothing. They used it for dye. They literally used all parts of it, and it actually, you can drink it, and it's a juice that is supposed to be helpful for diabetics. I mean, there's all kinds of things, if you look back historically, that's the foundation of where all aromatherapy comes from. You look back at the Indian cultures and the Greeks and the Romans, and all of them use botanicals to heal with. And so that's really the foundation of what I do, and how I keep on, exploring new avenues.